Hi guys. Hey, welcome to Nonnas. Hey guys, so now we're gonna get prepared the tomatoes and the jar Italian style.
Let's go!
Allegria! Tarantella, 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 sempre quella, sempre bella. Ciao amore, saluti, auguri, andiamo, questa è la vera serata italiana. Ehi adesso, forza maestro, tutti insieme, brasiliani, italiani, auguri! E Gennaro!
My plate, guys.
Ooh, what is that?
Pig skin.
How do you say that in Italian?
Agon.
Colton,
Agondano.
you like that?
Yeah.
Just thinking fields. Coloring.
Look what we found.
Look, we found the
Look
bud.
at the colors.
Wow!
Poisonous.
We have to look up what kind is it.
We found a spider.
Guys, comment down below what spider that comes from.
What spider is that, guys?
Oh, let's look it up.
Let's look it up.
I'm on to the last deck.
Okay, show us.
Wow.
I'm gonna put it in the bucket.
You have to wait to me because you don't reach.
Voila. Wow, we filled this all up with tomato sauce.
Okay, see?
Yeah? Come.
Whoa.
And we're filling up with water. And we're gonna boil it. How many jars did we do of tomato sauce?
170 jars.
Wow! Are you happy?
Yeah. Give me a big, big, big thumbs up. See? If you don't know what this is, you're not Italian, bro. Me.
Me.